Hey, y'all, guess what? We're here again at Dollywood, but not just Dollywood. Where are we at? What's going on? Great Pumpkin Luminights, that's right. Love coming here every year. Now, we're a little late coming here this year. We hadn't got here as soon as we wanted to, but that's okay. We made it. Look, listen to the train. I know you're at Dollywood. Junior's actually here with us, but he don't want to be on camera, so he's camera shy all of a sudden. But anyhow, I'll tell you what, we're going to take you through Great Pumpkin Luminights, see all these awesome pumpkins. But before we do, hey, y'all look down below. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up. Leave us a comment letting you know you're new here. Would love to say hey to you. Yep, sure would. With that being said, we're going to head on through here. And I'm going to do a whole lot of talking, just show you the sights and the sounds of Great Pumpkin Luminights that Dollywood has to offer. You ready? Good. All right, let's do this. Oh, one more thing. Go check out our cooking channel, Cooking with a Crazy Paw, if you want to. We'd love to have you over there. Both channels. Hey, no problem. Let's go. Come over next to me, bud. Well, I don't know about you. Well, we didn't see everything, couldn't show you everything. We did. We like a 3-hour video. But I'm gonna tell you what, this is an amazing video. You like all them pumpkins? What was your favorite?
The fire, the campfire.
The campfire, that was awesome. I did like that campfire with the tent. You see the fish? Yeah, it had a little string fish. It's amazing what they do with the pumpkins here and jack-o'-lanterns and how talented they are. And the thing is, a lot of these are real pumpkins. That's what's amazing. Did you know they're real? Yeah, he knew they were real. Anyhow, hope you had a great time. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to check out our other all the other videos that we have done. If you want to check out a lot of the older videos we have, go check out our other channel, click on the Crazy Pop. A lot of our older stuff is still there on playlists. Even Dollywood playlist is still over there. So be sure to go check that out. But while you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, comment, all that good stuff. And I hope you enjoyed it. And hey, what do we want to tell them? Subscribe, yeah. But we want to thank you for hanging with the Crazy Crew.